Hi, I'm Jeremy with Stay Cool Climate Control, and today I want to go over the importance of a furnace tune-up and safety inspection. Every year when it's time to turn your furnace on, you should have an HVAC professional come out to look over the system. This is going to ensure that the equipment lasts as long as possible, works efficiently as possible, and is safe for you and your family all winter long with no breakdowns. One of the first things we're going to do is go to the thermostat, turn it on heat, turn it up a couple degrees, and wait for the furnace to kick on. While the furnace is lighting, we're going to check some of the electrical connections and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to do. They have tight connections and nothing is shorted or frayed. We're going to make sure that the pressure switch can sense properly and the pressure tube is clear and free of obstructions. We're going to ensure the draft inducer is pulling the proper amount of amps like it should be. We're going to make sure the igniter is glowing like it should be and doesn't have any damage. We are going to pull the flame sensor out and examine it and clean it if we need to ensure that the furnace is getting a good signal and does not shut the gas valve off. We will also pull the bottom door off and check the cleanliness of the furnace cabinet and ensure the blower speed is on the proper setting. We have the furnace cabinet open. We'll be able to ensure that all the electrical connections are tight, all the wiring is where it needs to be, and again, there's no frays, loose connections, or possible shorts that will go on within the system. Another very important thing we will check on every furnace tune-up is the air filter. The 1-inch air filters should be checked and changed every 1 to 3 months. If you have a larger air filter, you may need to consult your HVAC professional for the best advice. As the furnace is running, the first temperature we're going to check is the return temperature, the temperature inside your home's conditioned space. This should typically be around what it's set at on the thermostat. Next, we're going to check the temperature coming out of the supply air vents in the conditioned space. Our unit looks a bit different because it's a practice unit in our shop. Typically, we want the supply air temperature around 30 to 50 degrees higher than the return air temperature. If it's out of that parameter, then we need to further investigate what the issue may be. Lastly, but certainly not least, we're going to check the furnace flue system to ensure it's venting properly and there's no carbon monoxide leaking inside your home. Every joint should have 3 screws on the connection and the pipe should be sturdy and free of rust and debris. And that is a furnace tune-up with Stay Cool Climate Control. I hope you learned something valuable, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at 636-542-8600 or visit our website at www.staycool-hvac.com. Thank you. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and eat free tacos.